my daughter just went for a walk around the lake, and then the bottom fell out of the sky. She's way out there too. She's trying to hurry back. More rain. We haven't gotten rain twice in July, and since we've moved out here. It's freaking crazy. There she comes. Oh, she's running. Watch her get all the way up here and the rain stops. Oh, goodness. Oh, no. Ah! Come on, Mal. Okay, Mallory's back safe inside, but she took a serious fall. Because it's wet and the mud got real slippery as she was running it back, and she just, she hit the ground hard. But I checked her out. She's okay. She is taking a shower to rub the mud off, and she was laughing, so all in good spirits. But dang it, twice in July. It is pouring rain still. It's craziness.